Well, good morning, everybody. I head off to a wonderful day of riding a little bit. Mother Nature decided to cooperate with me a little bit today. She says if I stay out too late, she's going to rain on me, but I'll take my chances and see. It is February 27th, 2024. It's 50-some degrees when I left the house today. Supposed to get up to 60-some this afternoon. See how it goes. Been putting these videos on to share with you our adventure, our rides, our great views and roads that we have in Ohio and across the country. Started this back in 2020. Before that, we didn't have the Senna or the GoPros. We had to deal with what the iPhones and that, the little short ones. But it seems like you guys like the short videos a little bit better than the full-length ones, but still like to watch those every once in a while. Like I said on one of my shorts, maybe I'm a little biker nut, but I do like watching my own videos. Things change a little bit at the time. When you can't get out and ride, it's nice to put a video ride on. Been trying a lot of different little things. Like I said, it seems like the shorts are working a little bit better, so I'm going to start switching over to the shorts. But I plan on having the longer ones on there too. I was going through adjusting some of the stuff on the YouTube channel, and noticed at the beginning I had some videos 30 minutes, 16 minutes. Those are just too long. I need to cut them down anyhow. With the Senna and that GoPro now, we have 4K videos, so it only puts on about a little less than 10 minutes, which I don't think's that bad. Spend 10 minutes watching video. But you guys are the boss. You guys let us know what you like, what you don't like. Like I said, I ain't nobody special, just somebody that likes to ride and share the experience and the thrill of riding. I'd like to convince some of you guys, if you haven't rode before, maybe you start picking it up. It's like everybody says, it's dangerous, but anything's dangerous. Even riding in your own car, walking across the street. You gotta make that one. So I thought I was gonna be able to pass them, but I'm gonna take my time and not. So, but it's hard to explain the feeling you have when you're out riding. It's just a great feeling, not to me. Out in nature, the breeze feels good. That's why I like this Fat Boy. I put a little opinion checklist on the page, and most of you guys like her Street Glide over my Fat Boy, but to me the Street Glide's kind of like a car. Fat Boy's more of the old motorcycle, out feeling the wind. So, but that's my personal taste. I'm not trying to force any of you guys in anything that you don't like or don't want to watch or anything like that. It's a free country so far. You can do what you want, how you want. I like my Fat Boy. Here we go. Didn't want to follow him all day. That's one of the bad things on some of these two-lane roads. You get behind a truck or somebody in a car that's just taking their Sunday cruise. You gotta be careful out there. Make sure you got a clear path. There's somebody right there. Can't see me. You always gotta keep your eyes out open. Always check for the other guy. One thing me and Britta used to argue about. She said, I'm right though. I'm in the right. Yeah, but I'd rather be wrong or in the right and be alive than be in the right and be dead. Like I said, you gotta watch everything, everybody, animals, what's on the road, potholes. Can't get on here, and I don't know how some of these guys are so drunk and they can ride a bike. That's your thing, that's your thing. But to me, it's the thrill, the adventure of getting out. And I'm not perfect. I've had some of you guys watch and say, I do a rolling stop at a stop sign, which ain't real safe. But that's me. I don't always wear protective gear. That's me. I know the choices and I know the risk. I always say if I'm gonna die on a motorcycle, at least I died happy. Don't be sad for me every year that I die, especially on a motorcycle. One of those things. You gotta pick and choose in life. Not everything's black and white. Not everything's forced on you, or should be forced on you. You should have some choice. But God gave you a brain for it. And let you make some decisions, whether they're right or wrong. I'm not saying that you need to go out and do the wrong thing all the time, but a little bit here and there. It's supposed to be cloudy today and rain's supposed to be moving in. Hopefully I'll miss the rain. Not, I'm gonna get wet. Like the old saying goes, if you don't get wet while you ride, you're not really a biker. So you had some friends in the past that they'd listen to the Weather Channel. There's a 40% chance of rain, they wouldn't take their bikes up. Just depends on what kind of rider